Hello YouTube, I'm back again with another video in the computer room. Today is an unboxing of my new battery charger that I got. It is called the Venom Produo charger. As you can see on the box, dual power, and then up here shows you the HIV high voltage batteries now supported. Alright. Anyways, there's a lot of good reviews on this battery charger. And surprisingly, I did not get this off of eBay. I know you guys are going to be shocked, because I usually shop on eBay for everything to get the best deals. But the cheapest I could find on eBay was $119 with free shipping, but you got to pay tax on top of that. So that would have been a lot of money. Well, I did some research and I found let me get the receipt out here, at Tower Hobbies online had a great deal going on. See, I bought that the 13th, and today is the 19th. I'm filming this. I've had this for a few days, so it didn't take that long to get here. But yeah, I looked online and found out that they had this for $109 on sale with free shipping. So I figured, all right. And then there was a code. If you bought something for over $100, you can use this $20 off coupon code. So that brought it down to what, $89. And then with the tax and shipped to the house, I paid $95. That is amazing. That's over 30 some dollars savings if I would have bought it on eBay. I mean, this is amazing. But yeah, I just want to do a little bit of an unboxing for you. And I cannot believe how small this is. 8 inches tall is the box, and 6 inches wide. On all the pictures I've seen on the internet, this thing looks like it's about as tall as my alien computer, you think. But it's not. It's tiny. Everything is still sealed up. Haven't cut it open yet. So let's go ahead and do that right now and get it out of the box. Okay, you are greeted with the owner's manual right on top. Or operation manual. So then you look inside the box, you see all this. And this what makes me happy is all those wires right there with different ends. That's great. We're gonna pull this little thing out. I cannot believe how tiny this is compared to the pictures. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pause this real quick. Alright, there, it's out of the bag. It's a lot easier with two hands. So again, here it is. It has the plastic thing over it so you can peel it off. But yep, there is the balance ports right there. Channel 1, channel 2. And it has a fan on this side and a fan on that side. And there's the power outlet. And there's all the specs about it. Get in focus. Okay, it's going to be kind of hard. And then here's the AC power. Temperature sensor that you have to buy separately, which I'm not going to use. Yeah, that's the DC power. So you can hook it up to your battery in your vehicle. But yeah, it's pretty nice. 80 watts times 2. 80 watts times 2. And then over here, they have 2 balance boards that come with it. See, there's this one. Here's the other one. And here is the cables that you use to plug in. It looks like the big end goes over to here. Yeah, big end goes in there. And then this little end goes into here. Then the the power cord. It's a pretty nice power cord. That's what the end looks like. It's pretty much a proprietary cable, unless you had one like this laying around. And then all this, they call it a squid or whatever. It has all the different ends that you can charge. There's the Dean connectors. And here's these. This came from, I'm not for sure the term or the wording on that, but yeah, here they are. You just plug in to whatever you want. Plug it in on the bottom. That is pretty cool. You got a black one, and that is nifty, man. I love this. But that's the end of that. I just wanted to show you what I got in the mail, and I want to use this battery charger on that stock Losi MTXL battery. Remember, I think that battery is shot, but I did not, and I do not have a proper charger when I was charging that. So hopefully I can bring that battery back to life by using the balance boards and this charger to try to bring it back to life. Because what I've been thinking about is buying another battery from Venom. I've been doing a lot of drawings here, a lot of measurements, trying to get the biggest battery that I can get to put into this Losi MTXL tray. Yep. Alrighty, guys, and again, thanks for watching, and I will be doing another video on charging that battery to show you how to turn it on and stuff. Until then, thanks for watching, and I'll be talking to you.